Shandong Joyance Intelligence Technology Company Limited, located in Weifang, Shandong, is a combined enterprise specializing in intelligent drone technology and industrial automation products. Established in 2016, it is the first batch of agriculture drone manufacturers in China and China's first manufacturer of cleaning drones. Joyance Tech, covering an area of 3,000 square meters, has a strong sales team, a professional research and development team, a perfect after-sales service system, an annual production capacity of 5,000 units, and has been exported to 120 countries. Our team comprises 24 employees, including 3 R&D engineers with advanced degrees. We prioritize efficiency and innovation to ensure the fastest turnaround for new product launches. A dedicated QA/QC inspector upholds our stringent quality assurance practices. The agricultural drones have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50-liter capacities and are widely used for spraying liquid pesticides and chemicals, spreading solid fertilizer, and seeding. The cleaning machine has multiple JTC 10, 20, and 30 models and are widely used for cleaning high buildings, glasses, facades, roofs, solar panels, catering to different customer groups, and providing all stereo solutions that precisely match various needs. We also offer in-depth OEM customization, drawing on years of engineering expertise to fulfill various client requirements. Our company is recognized as a trusted leader in drone technology. We maintain a sufficient inventory for prompt delivery. We also provide exceptional after-sales support and can dispatch engineers for on-site services. Acknowledged for our excellence in the industry, we hold ISO 9001, RoHS, C, and FCC certifications, highlighting our dedication to quality and innovation.